This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, their physical computing unit, and the lesson I am on is arrays and for loops. Finish that. If your red button worked, and it is, the only thing that is left is to call your new function when all the remaining buttons is pressed. When? Okay. Right, because we have our function down here that uses the parameter, and so we called it here. When we click the red button, this function is called setLEDColor. And so the computer says set LED's color. What's that? Boom. Hits this function. Oh, okay, well, what's color? Red. Okay. So now I'm going to loop through. I is going to be equal to 0. I must be less than length. If it's not less than the length of the amount of LEDs, I'm going to stop. I'll add 1 to I each time. So at 0, which is really the first LED, the LED at index 0 is going to be color. Oh, what was color? Oh yeah, it's red. Boom. And it keeps going, looping through each LED to change it to red. So we now want to change it to the other colors. An easy way to do this is to use copy paste. So I clicked up here from show blocks to show text because it's going to be really similar to our red. I'm going to right click copy, or control C is copy, and then control V is paste. Again, control C is copy, control V is paste. On a Mac, it's command C and command V. So button on event, not when the red button's pressed, but which one? I need when, oops, I should change down here. I should do green button next. So when the green, and all I'm changing is the color, is clicked, what do we want to do? We want the color to be green. Okay, now under the set all of the color LEDs to blue, I'm going to control V again to paste, and I'm going to change where it says red to say blue. I'm going to change where this says red because we're going to pass as a parameter to our function the word blue. So button, and let's make sure, yep, when the ID button blue, when on event of button blue being clicked, we'll run that function. And finally, white. So let me do control V again. And I just need to change out this color. If you don't have this code that I am copying, you need to go back to the other sections of this lesson. If you are stuck on them, make sure to check out my tutorials there. Let's look at it as blocks real quick. That is looking good. Let's give it a try. Red. Off. Look at our fancy program. Green, blue, off, on, white, red, off, green, blue. Awesome. Hey, we got a lot of code in there. And now we have a fancy lamp. Awesome. All right, well, we are good to go on this one. I'm gonna continue on to the next lesson. Onward!